And this mother has a jealous rival. Empty-clawed, her opponent will do anything to secure her own anemone. She isn't going to surrender them without a fight. Overpowered, the mother loses one of her anemones. The battle leaves her exhausted and vulnerable. She needs to lie low and buy herself some time. Because this super mum has yet another trick. Slowly and meticulously, she dissects her remaining anemone, creating a clone.